Hi, welcome to the Teaching Professor Conference. I'm Sharon.
And I'm James.
And we look forward to meeting about 75 of you this afternoon in our pre-conference workshop.
And we'll be sharing lots of tips and tricks and technologies. And so to get us started, we figured we'd share how to use YouTube. And so here's a quick training video on how you could use your smartphones or tablets to upload videos to YouTube for your students. Okay, so if you want to make teaching and training videos for your students, here's how you do it. Basically, go ahead and open up your phone. And then go to the YouTube app. Now, once you have the YouTube app and you sign in, you'll be signed in into your YouTube account. Across the top here, which you'll notice is where that's how you're signed in. And over here, you'll see this camera looking thing. Now, when you click on the camera, what's going to happen is it's going to bring up two choices. One choice is to go live. And what that means is you're recording live to YouTube as soon as you click on that. The other one is record, and that allows you to make a video and crop it and check it out before you go. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now, one warning here, when you're making videos, make sure you hold your camera properly. Let me give you an example of how not to hold your camera. If you hold your camera straight up and down, this is what it's going to look like when you finish your video product. If you held your camera the proper way, this is what your video will look like. Now that you've got your video, what you can do is you can crop it, actually make it shorter or longer depending on what you want to do. For this one, I'm not going to add anything. I could also come down here and add music or special effects, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click next, and that's it. All I have to do is add a title and a description. Now I can choose to make it unlisted, which means anyone with a link can view it, but nobody can search for it. I can make it public, or I can make it private, which means people who I send it to will get it. Well, that's it. That's all there is. The next button is upload, and you've got a video uploaded to YouTube. It's a great way to make training videos and reminder videos for your students, and so check it out.